Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know, and so I listen for my inner voice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday. This is not typically how I do my Sundays, but this is what has happened. So, just give you a little breakdown. My car got towed, I guess last night. This morning, I was getting ready for church. Got up. I was getting ready to do my makeup, and I was like, hey, let me go get this makeup brush out of the car. My car was gone. So I was like, okay. So I had to pay $300 to get my car out of the storage from towing. And I really felt some type of way. I just really feel like the devil is really trying to break me right now. And I'm not going to let him break me. God, Jesus is going to give me the strength to withstand everything. To come out victorious, to come out on top. I am not going to allow him to control and take over me. I'm not. I was frustrated. I was pissed. I was mad. I sure was. I missed church, which is fine because I'm watching church on YouTube. My church, they go live on Facebook and YouTube. My church is Valley Community Bible Church. If you would like to join our live, I will put our name on the screen. Also had a meeting after church, which I'm still gonna do. I just told the other girl that's gonna be in the meeting to just call me, and I'm gonna conduct the meeting over the phone, because I'm not gonna let the devil stop what I'm trying to do. He wanna break me, but he not. In Jesus' name, he not. So since I didn't go to church, I'm about to go to the grocery store now, so I don't have to go later. And then I'm gonna cook food for my family. Since my people come back from church, we be hungry. So since I don't have nothing to do, I'm gonna cook them some food. I'm gonna clean the bathroom, try to organize my closet. I'm gonna do some stuff with this free day. So yeah, I just want to check in to say that. More encouragement today, just like I had encouragement yesterday. You got this. You pray. You do not let the devil take you out. Don't let him take you out. So, let me go on to the start.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. all that I crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop.
Let me tell y'all how I've been working hard. When I say hard, hard. Whew, I've been working. So I cooked, I showed y'all. I cooked lasagna. I ain't show y'all the finished product. My bad. Just know it was delicious. Then I cooked, which I showed y'all, my lunch, my meal prep for the week to make sure I'm on track. Done that, and I folded clothes. So I'm tired. The American Music Awards are about to come on, so I'm about to take a shower. And when I get done taking my shower, I'm gonna iron for the week. Not my clothes, but Jamar's clothes. So I'm gonna iron his clothes for the week, and then we go from there. I'm gonna have to clean off. I gotta get a new memory card. So hold please. All right, I cleared off some space. So I'm going to, what is this on my forehead? Oh, this. So I'm going to iron Jamar's clothes for the week. So at least I can have his clothes prepared for the week, even if I don't have mine. I got to prepare somebody's clothes because I have found out that when I plan ahead and prepare myself for the week, it's a little less I have to worry about. So if I do his clothes, then I just have to worry about mine, which I can deal with that. I can deal with that. So I'm really trying to get better with my routines. I want to develop routines so that it's just like muscle memory happen quick. Just like I took the time to develop a skincare routine, and now my skincare routine, like I don't play about that. It's just boom, 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 done. So I want to do that in all areas of my life, like the areas that I clean. I want to make like Sundays the day where I iron all of JT's clothes. At least prepare as much as I can for the week to eliminate as much stress, because your girl be overwhelmed. So I'm gonna do that. And then this week I'm gonna I didn't finish cleaning what I needed to clean. I did clean the bathroom, which that was something that I needed to do. I did that, but I did not organize my clothes, my closet, and I want to do that. So this week I want to clean my room because I got some stuff I need to clean in a little area. You know, you always got that little junk area that be junky. Like the rest of your room could be good, but you got that little one area that's junky. My little one junky area, I need to handle that. So I need to do that, and then I need to pick up some stuff in the living room. So those are my two major to-dos. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'm doing them tomorrow, but tomorrow for sure, or tonight I'm gonna fold. I did wash towels, so I'm gonna fold those tonight. And tomorrow I have a load of clothes in the washing machine, so I'm gonna fold those tomorrow. I'm not folding them tonight. I'm gonna make sure they dry, but I'm leaving the boys in the dryer. I'm closed up tomorrow. Tomorrow is when I'm folding them. So I'm gonna just iron JT's clothes and fold the towels when they come out. And then I'm gonna watch the American Music Awards. Me and my mom are gonna watch them. So yeah. She's so loud out here. So yeah. I'm going to start ironing, and well, whenever my mom gets out the shower, I'll take a shower. Okay. So my son is about to be 6 in December. But the way he's set up, I still need somebody to watch him 24 hours. So I can't go in the shower and just let him be free. No, because that boy, he is a true boy. So that means he is getting into stuff. He got stuff everywhere. He getting the rolls off the counter. He done took the stuff off the, Somebody need to watch him. He can't be alone. He can't be trusted. So I was about to take a shower, but I didn't tell her. And I let her go because she take like 5-minute showers. So I let her take a shower, and then when she get done, I'll take my shower. So I might let y'all see me ironing clothes. I don't know, because it's a little boring. But we gonna see. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, y'all, I got my bonnet on, so you know what that mean. Bedtime. It's time to go to sleep. I want to come and say good night. But before I say goodnight, I end up watching the American Music Awards, and baby, Jennifer Hudson, she killed that performance. She sung Whitney Houston, and when I tell you they could not have got a better person, she killed it. To me, she's the only one that is even close to even resembling Whitney Houston's voice. I'm just saying, she killed that. I was like, that's why you the GOAT. She is. One thing you can't do is you can't touch her. She is a EGOT person, so she got an Emmy, a Grammy, an Oscar, and a Tony. Not very many people in the world have those accomplishments. So you can't touch her. And then Nelly, of course. I was rapping and I was like, hey. My favorite song. If you wanna go take a ride with me, that's my jam. Especially the rap part. Now that I'm a fly guy and I fly high, wanna know why I fly by. Y'all, I was dancing and rapping. Whitney, my sister Whitney, her favorite artist was Nelly. So she had all the Nelly albums. So that's how I know all the Nelly songs and the raps, because she listened to Nelly all day, every day. So yeah, but honestly, that's JT out here, him, he loud. Honestly, that was kind of boring. The awards was kind of boring. They did like some 50th anniversary thing where it was like flashbacks of like old American Music Awards, and they was picking some people that would come and talk about their journey, their first award, and how they got different awards, like Reba McEntire, Carrie Underwood, who else was that? Sheila E. Was it Sheila E? Gloria Estefan. I'm talking about Sheila E. Gloria Estefan.
TV and stop!
It was a bunch of different. Baby, we not finna watch TV. We finna go to bed. So it was kind of like flashbacky.
No.
They didn't have many performances. And then the performances that they did have was like tribute to people. So it was kind of, it was different. I ain't gonna lie, it was different. But yeah. So while the American Music Awards was on, I was multitasking. So I was ironing JT's clothes for the week, which I accomplished that goal.
Oh no, yeah, no, stop.
Baby, it's okay.
Oh no,
It's okay.
stop.
Okay, mommy's coming. So I'm finna put him to bed, which he finna cry about. He finna have a whole fit because that boy hate going to bed. he in there trying to watch TV. No sir, we going to sleep. I'm finna go to bed and I will see you guys.